What are some traits or characteristics of baby boomers that you can use to help better manage a baby boomer who might be on your team? Hey folks, I'm Kirk here with practical leadership tips for you and your team. All right, so you got someone who belongs to the baby boomer generation on your team. What are a couple quick facts to know about them that might help you lead somebody like that on your team? Well, first thing to know is that those are people that are generally born between 1946 and 1964. What that means is they're somewhere between 60 and 80 years old right now. So definitely at the high end, most of them are into that retirement phase, but we still do have a number of them in the workforce. They value stability and structure. So they're not looking to jump from one job to another or even necessarily one position quickly to another. They really do value that stability. And they also tend to view a more, what we would consider maybe classical or organizational structure within a company. They want to know what the chain of command is and who's at each level. They tend to value loyalty. So they might be somebody who starts with a company when they're young, one of their first jobs, and stays with that company for years and years. So that loyalty is something that they tend to value. And what it might mean is that they see younger people as being disloyal. They'll just jump to a different job, to a different company at the first opportunity they get, and they can see that as a negative because they tend to value loyalty above all else. And the last thing is that their leadership approach themselves, if they're leaders, tends to be a bit more authoritative. Now, not to say they're a dictator or anything like that, but it just might mean that they sort of believe that the boss tells you what to do and you get the work done. And that's kind of the end of the story. And so if they're leaders, that might be their leadership style, but then that also might be the leadership style that they expect if they are working for you as the leader. So I'm not saying become an authoritarian overnight with those folks, but just be ready to be a bit more direct perhaps with those people and give clear, concise instructions and clarify those expectations of exactly what you want them to do. So keep in mind that even though we have all of these great traits, every person is an individual. And just because you might have someone on your team that falls in the age range that classifies them as a baby boomer, it doesn't mean that they're going to tick all of the boxes for those generational traits. So make sure that above all else, you're focusing on getting to know them as a unique individual. And that's going to be the best way that you can work with them and motivate them. Like and follow for more practical leadership tips.